happy to have you here today, as always. We're going to do something really quick today. We are going to just make a coffee liqueur whipped cream. Alright, so our recipe today is very simple. It's 3 easy ingredients. I'm going to use about 2 cups whipping cream, 2 to 4 tablespoons coffee liqueur, and then approximately, that is powdered sugar, approximately 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Alright, you guys, this is a really versatile, easy recipe. I'm using this much because I happen to have a chocolate cake laying around that I'm going to frost with this. I imagine putting this in delicious coffee to sweeten it. You can have it over fruit if you want. You can, yeah. Alright, so cream's in. I'm gonna just go ahead, I'm gonna do the whole thing coffee liqueur, because why not? And then I'm going to go ahead and start it, and then I'm gonna slowly start adding in the powdered sugar. Now it is really important to use powdered sugar when you're making whipped cream, so the texture doesn't get very grainy. I just added in nice and slow. The coffee liqueur is a little sweeter, so I might not gonna add as much powdered sugar as I normally would. And then you just let it do its magic until you get stiff peaks where, you know, you can like hold it over your head and it doesn't fall on top of you. Alright, so it's been running for a little bit. I'm going to slow it down and pick up the blade. This is a really easy way to clean off the spinny thing. And hopefully not make a mess. So if I were to take... So you have to be really careful that you don't end up churning butter. But the right consistency is it forms into stiff little peaks. Now I am ready to frost my cake. Alright, so I'm just spreading this in the middle for the cake, and then I'll sandwich the other part on top. This is a delicious coffee liqueur whipped cream. I know because I already licked the whisk clean. And it's not too sweet. It has just a little bit of subtlety with the coffee liqueur, adding flavor to it. Alright, and we're back. So I just have this delicious iced coffee. Mixing in the whipped cream. It's gonna be so good. True story. So using the coffee liqueur and whipped cream is, it's in place of vanilla extract, so it's still not going to be super boozy. Just vanilla extract has a little booze, so it should be totally acceptable. Just so you know. All right, so I finished kind of frosting the cake. I'm just going to take some powdered, what is this? Cocoa powder. Yep. I just kind of sprinkle it on top. Something I didn't mention is if you have the opportunity to put your cake in the freezer, it'll just make things a lot easier. Sorry we're going so fast. I don't want the whipped cream to melt, and I also want to just shove this in my face hole already, okay? So, see how we did. Oh man, I'm so excited. Yee-hee. Oh hell yeah! Do you guys see that? It's moist and delicious, and it's gonna be so freaking good. I'm really excited for you guys to watch me eat this. Don't look at me. It's like naughty good.
Ooh, that's some damn good whipped cream.